You're in a new country. Someone speaks to you in English, your heart beats fast, your mind goes empty. You know English. You studied for years, but the words do not come out. I want to tell you something. The problem is not your English. The problem is what you believe about English. You believe you need thousands of words to speak. You don't. You need 200. Stay with me. I will show you exactly which ones. The English language has more than 170,000 words. 170,000. When most people hear this number, they feel tired before they begin. But here is what nobody tells you. A normal person, even a native English speaker, uses only about 2,000 words every day. 2,000, not 170,000, and for a basic conversation, for asking directions, for ordering food, for talking about your day, for meeting someone new. You need 200 words. This is not my opinion. Scientists who study language found this. The most common 200 words in English, they appear in more than 60% of everything we say. 60%, more than half of every conversation, built from the same 200 simple words. So the question is not, how many words do I know? The real question is, do I know the right 200? Let me tell you about a boy. He was 12 years old. He lived in China. His English was very bad. Every morning before school, he woke up early, he got on his bicycle, he rode 40 minutes to reach one place. A hotel, the Hangzhou International Hotel. He went there to talk to foreigners, for free. He asked them, "Hello, my name is Jack. Can I be your guide today?" His grammar was wrong, his pronunciation was unclear, he made many mistakes, but he kept going. Every morning for 9 years, not with a dictionary, not with textbooks, with the same simple words used again and again in real conversations. That boy became Jack Ma, one of the most powerful businessmen in the world. He did not build his English with thousands of words, he built it with the same 200 words, used every single day with real people. So what are these 200 words? I will show you. They are simple. You already know many of them. They come in 5 groups. Group 1, action words. Go, come, get, make, take, have, say, know, think, want, need, see, give, tell, work. These 15 words you can use in almost every sentence. I want to go. Can you give me this? I need to think. Group 2, people and places. I, you, he, she, we, they, here, there, home, work, school. I'm here, she is at work. We go home. Group 3, time, now, today, tomorrow, yesterday, morning, night, soon, before, after. I'm busy now. Let's meet tomorrow morning. I will call you after. Group 4, feelings and descriptions. Good, bad, big, small, happy, tired, sorry, sure, easy, hard, fast, slow, ready. I feel tired today. This is not easy. Are you ready? Group 5, connection words and but, because, so, if, when, maybe, also, or please, thank you, sorry, excuse me. These small words, they hold every conversation together. 200 words, 5 groups. This is your toolkit. Now, knowing these 200 words is not enough. Jack Ma did not just learn words, he used them every morning with real people. This is the secret most people miss. They study words, they memorize words, but they do not use them. Your mouth needs practice, just like your legs need practice to run. So here's what I want you to do today. Choose 10 words from these 200, just 10. Make 5 sentences. Say them out loud, not in your head. Out loud, I need water. Can you help me, please? I'm sorry, I don't understand. Can you say that again? Slowly. Thank you very much. These 5 sentences, they will save you in almost any situation. Airport, restaurant, hotel, street meeting, phone call, shop. 5 sentences built from the same 200 words. That is enough to survive. That is enough to begin. I want to leave you with one idea. Most people wait. They wait until their English is perfect. They wait until they know more words. They wait until they feel ready. But Jack Ma did not wait. He spoke with wrong grammar, with unclear pronunciation, with only the words he had. And people understood him because in a real conversation, no one is checking your grammar. They are listening to your message. 200 words is enough for a message. 200 words is enough to connect. 200 words is enough to start. Next time when someone speaks to you in English and your heart beats fast, remember this. You don't need 170,000 words. You have 200. That is enough. Next week we will talk about something that will surprise you. The one habit that makes your English feel natural even when you're nervous.